Hello students, welcome. Welcome to Economic Division Game for important questions for exam 2024. Now see, there are 5 questions in front of you. Question number 1, Central Bank and Commercial Bank. Number 2, aggregate demand and aggregate supply. Difference between, all are. Now the third one is the relation, marginal and average cost relation. The fourth one is perfect and monopoly market. And the fifth one is value in use and value in exchange. Find the difference. ओडिया केंद्र बैंक और वाणिज्यिक बैंक 2 नंबर, सामूहिक चाहिदा और सामूहिक जोगाण 3 नंबर, सीमांत और हाराहारी परिवेश मध्य संपर्क 4 नंबर, पूर्ण प्रतियोगिता और एकाधिकार बाजार मध्य पार्थक्य 5 नंबर, व्यावहारिक एवं विनिमय मूल्य मध्य पार्थक्य दर्शाओ. Okay students, thank you very much for watching.